Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to secure your ledger with COLDCARD using BIP-85. Instead of having the ledger generate its own recovery phrase, you can derive a 12-word BIP-39 seed phrase on your COLDCARD completely air-gapped. To get started, head to Advanced Tools on your COLDCARD and select Derive Seeds BIP-85. From here, I'll derive a new 12-word BIP-39 seed phrase. This seed phrase is deterministically derived from the COLDCARD's master seed. It creates a completely independent wallet with its own addresses and balances. Next, power on your ledger and choose to restore from an existing recovery phrase. Then enter the 12 words that were derived on the COLDCARD. Although this seed phrase originated from the COLDCARD, it's completely independent. Knowing this child seed doesn't reveal the COLDCARD's master seed or any other BIP-85 derived wallets. One of the biggest advantages of BIP-85 is that this same child seed can always be derived again from your COLDCARD. And that's it, your ledger is now ready to use. For more information about COLDCARD's BIP-85 functionality, check out coldcard.com.